Is your team buried under endless manual redaction work, going frame by frame to blur faces in video, blacking out text in documents, and blurring sensitive details in images? That's where CaseGuard Studio steps in and changes the entire scenario by making the process fully automated for you. CaseGuard is an AI-powered redaction platform that helps you redact sensitive information up to 32 times faster than manual work, with 98% accuracy. And because it runs fully on-premise, your data never leaves your device. So today, we're checking out CaseGuard Studio to see how it saves your team from lengthy manual redaction tasks and keeps them focused on high-impact work. So let's look at one of CaseGuard's core AI capabilities: AI video and AI audio redaction. Let's say your organization manages hours of CCTV surveillance footage, or you're a law enforcement agency that has to record everything with body-worn cameras. To redact those recorded videos and get their audio transcription, just import them into CaseGuard and select the personally identifiable information you want to redact for both audio and video. For videos, you can select from 12 categories of PII, such as faces, screens, license plates, notepads, people, vehicles, barcodes, checks, credit cards, signatures, texts, and logos, pretty much anything you need. Then you have to go to the AI audio section and select the PII you want to redact. You can choose names, addresses, SSNs, and 30 more categories of PII within the audio redaction section. After selecting them, you'll get everything redacted within just a few minutes. During the redaction process, you can navigate to any position in the video and selectively redact or unredact specific content. For the audio redaction, CaseGuard AI generates full transcripts that are completely searchable and separated by speakers. Also, if you need to redact additional information, you can simply highlight and redact within the transcript in one click.
Phone number we have is that right?
Yes, that's right.
You can even remove background noises like sirens automatically with CaseGuard's array of editing features. If your agency works in multilingual communities, this feature will make life so much easier. CaseGuard can transcribe and translate audio in over 100 languages. Say you've got a recording in English and you want to translate it into Spanish. Just select Spanish, and in seconds you'll have the full translation ready. From there, you can redact, add closed captions, or keep a transcript of the translated audio. This makes it effortless for agencies to protect privacy and stay compliant, no matter what language comes up. Moving on to documents, CaseGuard's bulk feature processes unlimited files instantly. At first, you have to import the documents. Then, hit the AI search, select the PII you want to detect and redact, and watch CaseGuard automatically redact the selected PII from thousands of files all at once. Moreover, CaseGuard uses something called optical character recognition, or OCR, which allows the system to read the handwritten words in a file. From there, you can automatically detect sensitive details, like social security numbers, phone numbers, or emails, and it'll automatically remove them across hundreds of pages, metadata completely scrubbed. And when you're done, you can add a watermark to the document to show that it's been processed or to label it as confidential, which is essential for government agencies to release documents without the fear of leaking personal information. If you're using CaseGuard to redact sensitive data, its built-in compliance tools make it the preferred choice for organizations that need to stay compliant and audit-ready. The exemption log shows an audit report detailing why PII was redacted, along with the legal justification for each redaction. CaseGuard's audit reports save you time, keeps your workflow streamlined, and ensures you meet compliance requirements for regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and FOIA without extra hassle. In short, CaseGuard is undoubtedly a great solution for cutting down around 85% of your data redaction time across all file types. Their pricing starts at $99, with 4 plans based on file type, team size, and AI features. The premium plan that costs $329 includes AI-powered redaction for video, audio, documents, and images, along with transcription, translation, and collaborative team space access. You can redact unlimited videos and images, with options to scale further. On top of that, CaseGuard's privacy experts also provide full guidance to help your organization pick the best plan and streamline implementation easily. So don't let manual redactions drain your team's valuable time. We'll drop the link in the description where you can book a demo with your privacy expert today. Thanks for watching.